Sulaiman from Nefhamah Sah. Today I'm gonna guide you through our own prototype. First of all, you're gonna choose the language, Arabic or English, because here in Egypt, this is our two primary and secondary language. We're gonna go to sign up and we're gonna log in as a teacher. So this is our teacher UI. It's very simple. We have the classroom agenda. It's something like he writes what he's gonna do inside the classroom and it will remind him in the classroom. The preparation is something like Google Docs. Till we prepare it, we're planning to integrate actually with Google Docs to allow him to use the very powerful tool that Google provide. The meeting room is something like Google Meeting. He's gonna create meetings and with his own colleagues. We're planning to make our own meeting system, but if it's allowed, we didn't look at it yet. We're gonna integrate with Google Meet. The quiz system is our own standalone quiz system that the teacher gonna create his own exams and the student gonna take it. Returning to the evaluation sheet is like a tunnel or something that the teacher gonna send to the parent. He will write everything, then says the evaluation will be sent to the parent. Now to the report is something like the reports or the tunnel between or chat between the teacher and the parent. Now to the lecture room, it's same as the meeting room, but with the student, not with the teacher. The records is the records from inside the lecture room. He's gonna choose the lecture name and state and gonna rewatch it later. About the activities, this is a huge library of activities the teacher can use and actually is prepared to easily explain the information, or he can do something better. He can create his own activities. Now to the AR labs, it's something not gonna be clearly here in the prototype in our UI UX design, but we're gonna use the AR technology to project the lab tools to help the student and the teacher apply anytime, any place using their phones. Now this was our teacher UI. Now to the student UI. Now the student UI has the same as lecture room, record activities and the AR lab, so we're not gonna talk about it. Now because our application is meant to be used by the primary school students, we have something called colorize. This is gonna allow the student to choose a painting to color because painting and colors is very useful for the student. Now we have animate. We didn't make a storyboard for it yet, but we're gonna allow the student to choose some items and make a story and animate it using his own device. The quiz system is the same as the teacher, and the result is the student results. Now this was our student UI. Now back to the teacher UI. The parent UI. This is very simple UI. It have only the results of the exam that we saw later in the student UI, and the attendance that his son attended or not, he approved the attendance or not, and so on. And the chat is the same as the teacher UI. And actually that was our own prototype. I wish you like it and see you later, guys.